In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6474, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, guaranteed paradise to the person who safeguards their mouth and chastity. The first thing mentioned indicates safeguarding one's speech, meaning, a Muslim must avoid all types of evil speech, such as backbiting, as it only takes a single evil word to cause someone to plunge into hell on Judgment Day. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2314. In addition, a Muslim should avoid all vain and useless speech, as this only wastes one's precious time, which will be a great regret for them on Judgment Day. In addition, vain speech is often the first step before sinful speech, therefore, it is best to avoid it. One should either speak good or remain silent. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176. The main narration under discussion also advises to safeguard oneself from consuming the unlawful. This will lead to all of one's righteous deeds being rejected, irrespective of their intention. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342. The same way the inward foundation of Islam is one's intention, the outward foundation of Islam is obtaining and utilizing the lawful. Without correcting these two foundations of Islam, one cannot achieve peace and success in either this world or the next. The second aspect of the main narration under discussion advises Muslims to safeguard their chastity, meaning, avoid unlawful relationships. A Muslim has been given a way to achieve this, namely, marriage. If a Muslim is not in the right position to get married, such as financially, then they should fast often, as this reduces carnal desires. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1905. Safeguarding one's chastity is vital, as illegal relationships always lead to unwanted and deprived children, a failure in fulfilling the rights of one's partners, and broken homes, which in turn increases crime, mental disorders and other social problems on a mass scale. Finally, as these two aspects combined lead to paradise, it is therefore the reason why getting married has been labeled completing half of one's faith in a narration found in Al-Majam al-Asat, number 992.